Hi, today in How Hard Can It Be, we're not going to do a turkey as promised, but we're going to try to make a whole roast chicken instead. Stay tuned, how hard can it be? But first we need to buy an oven. So this is what we choose, the Khind 52 liter. The ingredients we need: sugar, rosemary, lemon, carrots. Oh, and obviously, how can we forget the chicken? You might want to remove the neck first. Olive oil. Plenty of lemon. Okay, let's put it inside. Honey. And so put some rosemary inside the cavity area. That's it. Sprinkle it on top. Black pepper, salt, a generous amount of salt. Brown sugar, black pepper. Done. Now we just need to let it marinate for as long as you can. Probably best about 2 to 3 hours or maybe a whole night. Now let's prepare the veggie for the side dishes. We will be just using carrots and potatoes. So generous amount of salt, black pepper. We put some olive oil. You might want to chop up some rosemary to just put it in. Now let's do the unboxing for this new oven. I wrap this up with some aluminium foil to prevent it from burning, and if you have the rotisserie system you can actually do this too. Now I sprinkle some more salt, a bit more salt and some black pepper, so it's ready to go into the oven. The oven, we just need to preheat it to 200 degrees.
See the chicken moving.
As you can see, the chicken looks a bit stupid because I did not tuck it in, I did not tie it up. I don't even know how to do it. Reduce your heat to about maybe about 180 degrees Celsius. Looks like it's almost ready. Looks a bit burned, but should be nice. Now it's time to take it out. Here we have the chicken resting here. Looks a bit burned, to be honest, but later on we'll see how it tastes.